Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. My name is Aurelia Cinta Skarbintang. I'm from Faculty of Islamic Studies University Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Today, I'm pleased to present my paper entitled Blue Economy and Environmental Sustainability in the Perspective of Maqasid Syariah, a Bibliometric Analysis. The study explores how global blue economy research has evolved over time and how its main themes align with the ethical framework of Maqasid Syariah, particularly in addressing environmental sustainability. Overview: the blue economy has become a global issue closely related to the Sustainability Development Goals, especially SDG 14 Life Below Water. It emphasizes the sustainable use of marine resources while maintaining environmental balance and supporting economic development. In recent years, research on the blue economy has increased significantly, with major attention given to marine resource management, climate change, and environmental impacts. However, despite this rapid growth, the literature remains fragmented and ethical perspectives are often unexplored. Therefore, the study has three main objectives. First, to map the development of blue economy research from 2016 to 2025. Second, to identify major research trends, key topics, and existing research gaps. Third, to evaluate the environmental impacts of blue economy initiative using bibliometric analysis. The study employs a bibliometric method using the Scopus database. The data consists of peer-reviewed English journal articles published between 2000 and 2025. A Boolean search strategy was applied using keywords related to the blue economy and environmental impacts. The data were then cleaned through author and affiliation normalization, as well as keyword harmonization. FastViewer was used to analyze publication trends, country and author contribution, co-authorship, networks, keyword clusters, and citation patterns. Publication trends and key authors. The results show that blue economy research began to grow steadily after 2018, reaching its peak in 2024. A decline in 2020 reflects the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, while the subsequent increase is influenced by global initiatives such as the UN Ocean Decade. In terms of authorship, Cisneros Montemayor AM emerged as the most productive author, indicating strong individual contribution alongside broader collaboration. Institutions and countries. At the country level, the United States and China dominate global blue economy research output. The Chinese Academy of Science is the most productive institution, reflecting significant investment in marine and environmental research. Sources and keyword clusters. Regarding publication sources, leading journals include Science of the Total Environment and Sustainability. Keyword analysis reveals three main clusters: sustainability and economics, climate change mitigation, and water resource management. Citation analysis and research gap. Citation analysis identifies Pendleton et al. On blue carbon as the most influential work in this field. However, despite its importance, blue carbon and natural resource conservation remain relatively unexplored. Additionally, there is a lack of socio-ecological integration in blue economy implementation, highlighting the need for more holistic and interdisciplinary approaches. blue economy from the perspective of Makosid Syariah. To address this gap, the study incorporates the perspective of Makosid Syariah as an ethical framework. Makosid Syariah emphasizes the protection of public welfare and the prevention of harm, including the protection of life, wealth, intellect, lineage, and religion. The bibliometric findings show a strong focus on environmental sustainability, economic development, and climate-related challenges. These themes clearly align with the core objectives of Makosid Syariah. Alignment between bibliometric themes and Makosid Syariah. This slide illustrates the alignment between bibliometric themes and Makosid Syariah values. For example, marine ecosystem protection aligns with the protection of life, while sustainable economic development corresponds to the protection of wealth. Climate change mitigation and water resource management support both human well-being and intergenerational sustainability. Meanwhile, blue carbon conservation aligns with environmental protection and long-term economic value. In conclusion, blue economy research shows rapid global growth with strong international collaboration. The literature is dominated by three main clusters, while blue carbon and conservation remain underexplored. By incorporating Makosid Syariah, the study highlights the ethical alignment of blue economy initiative with the protection of life wealth and the environment supporting sustainable development and SDG 14. That's all for my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention and I look forward to your question and discussion. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.